Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Steno. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So get ready students, start. A three-judge bench of the Supreme Court consisting of Justices Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, Vikram Nath and B.V. Nagratna has ruled in the judgment of the case Messrs. Magad Sugar and Energy Limited versus the State of Bihar and others, delivered on September 24, 2021, that the existence of an alternate remedy does not by itself bar the High Court from exercising its jurisdiction in certain contingencies. Stop para. The HC has pointed out that the court has crystallized this principle in the judgments of the cases Whirlpool Corporation versus Registrar of Trademarks Mumbai within bracket 1998 bracket close 8 SCC 1 and Harbanslal Sahni versus Indian Oil Corporation Limited within bracket 2003 bracket close 2 SCC 107. Recently, in the judgment of the case Radhakrishnan Industries versus State of Himachal Pradesh and others 2021 SCC online SC 334, a two-judge bench of the SC within bracket with Justice Chandrachud on it bracket close has summarized the principles governing the exercise of writ jurisdiction by the High Court in the presence of an alternate remedy. Stop para. The SC has observed the principles of law which emerge are that the power under Article 226 of the Constitution to issue writs can be exercised not only for the enforcement of fundamental rights but for any other purpose as well. The HC has discretion not to entertain a writ petition. One of the restrictions placed on the power of the SC is where an effective alternate remedy is available to the aggrieved person. Exceptions to the rule of alternate remedy arise where the writ petition has been filed for the enforcement of a fundamental right protected by Part 3 of the Constitution. There has been a violation of principles of natural justice. The order of proceedings are wholly without jurisdiction, or the wires of a legislation is challenged. An alternate remedy by itself does not divest the HC of its power in an appropriate case, though ordinarily a writ petition should not be entertained when an efficacious alternate remedy is provided by law. When a right is created by a statute which itself prescribes the remedy or procedure for enforcing the right or liability, resort must be had to that particular statutory remedy before invoking the statutory remedy under Article 226 of the Constitution. This rule of exhaustion of statutory remedies is a rule of policy. convenience and discretion, and in cases where there are disputed questions of fact, the HC may decide to decline jurisdiction in a writ petition. However, if the HC is objectively of the view that the nature of the controversy requires the exercise of its writ jurisdiction, such a view would not readily be interfered with. Stop. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।